So yeah, guys, those are basically the rules that you need to make this, and I'm basically gonna pour this in here after I shut down the video. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like and subscribe, and so yeah, give this video. Let me see. I'm gonna do it easier since this is my first slime video. Okay, so this is my first slime video. I am going to say give this video 500 likes just for easy, because I know I'm not gonna even get 10. That's none of my videos do, but none of my videos get over like 10 likes. None of them. So I'm hoping that can change today. And so yeah, you guys can see my decorations up in my room right there. Yeah, so give this video 100. No, I didn't say 100. I said 500. So give this video 500 likes. Excuse my hair and this yellowness in here, over here. If you guys are wondering, it's slime, yellow slime that I had made, which is in here, right now. And this was too watery, the slime. See, the contact solution is all on the top. Okay, so yeah, guys, hope you guys like and subscribe. These are the ingredients that you guys will be needing to make some slime if you guys want to make some slime. That, and baking soda. So this is all you need basically to make slime. So yeah.